Hi, this is Tiffany from Tiff's Crafty Corner, and I came back from Tuesday morning today. I actually checked out some of the videos that people had on YouTube regarding the things that they had just come out this week. So I love Crafter's Companion. It's kind of one of my favorite things nowadays, and I rushed out there when my son was playing baseball. He was practicing. And I ran over to the Tuesday morning closest to us, which was over in Frisco, Texas, El Dorado, and the Tollway. And I found lots and lots of things. But these were the things that I picked up, and I'll let you know some of the other things that I found. But anyway, so there's these Crafter's Companions kits. And I did have a subscription to them, but these must be past ones because these are all brand new to me at least. So the first one I had was this character stamp and die kit. And the coolest thing is that this is like box number 18. And we just kind of take a look at what's in here. I thought it was kind of cool. So we get a couple of stamp sets, the front and the back, which is kind of the reason why I really liked this one. And then it had some of the sentiments. The different ones are kind of the same. But it also had the die cut that went with it to cut out the character. And then it had the round metal die to make some of the cards, windows. And then it had a thank you and a with love. So, and then it came with the card blanks. This is kind of normal. Envelopes, the jewels, the ribbon, the paper packs to go with that. So, one of the things that I love about these is that you got everything you need to start, crafting with it. If you don't like some of them, you don't have to use the paper packs. But here's kind of the things that you can make with that. So that's kind of the window card. If you see the round thing right here, that's going to add the window to it. And then you can go onto Crafter's Companion, and typically you'll have somebody who's made some of the cards. Maybe not necessarily these cards, which that irritates me, but they show you how to use just the technique of how to use that particular box. The next one I got was the Transfer Craft Kit, which also, let me just point out, so these boxes are normally $25 to $30. And, they say it's an estimated value of $29.99, and you get it for $12.99. The subscription, I know I paid at least $25 per box. So getting this deal was amazing. So this is the transfer kit. Same thing. It kind of opens up with a pretty paper. I love how it's kind of packed nicely. And then this one, these are all the colors, everything on here I love. So, and the reason why I liked it is the rub-ons, but it was in the blacks and the whites and the golds, that kind of thing. So the colors are much vibrant. I love the vibrant colors. Love this stamp set. If you look, it's just a real pretty script. And look at the thank you. The thank you is just really neat. And the special day and the on your birthday. And then there's a just to say. But this is something you can use for a lot of different things. And I love that it's a little different. Then you've got the cards, the colored cards, the blank cards, the envelopes. Here's the rub-ons with the little popsicle stick. More rub-ons. Some of the colors I love. They're bright, they're vibrant, and I hope that comes through, but these are amazing. And then even just the paper pack. Look at that watercolor paper pack. I haven't gone through everything, and I won't do that here, but I already know that I love this particular thing, and this particular kit, so I will be doing something with that probably here very shortly. The next kit that I got was the shaker card kit. Okay, again, these are all 12 bucks or 13 bucks. And okay, so I got it basically because of the shaker card dies. I'm not really crazy about these, stamps or these, I don't know, can't remember if they had it, but I'll show you everything they had. That came with the foam tape. So you already have that. Look at that generous bag of confetti. You got pinks, you got the whites, iridescent or the holographic. You got the orange, the yellows and the kind of oranges. And you got the blues. I mean, these are generous packs. This is why I got this. The nesting dies. And so that you can make the shaker card bases and the cutouts. This is, and it's small. It's not these huge big ones. And so you can do this pretty much with anything. So we're going to make some shaker cards. And then look at that vibrant color. She needs to do more vibrant. I just love the vibrance. And even this is pretty. Look how vibrant that is. It is just, it's not muted. It's not pastels. It's just pretty. Now, here's the stamp set. The stamp set is pretty cute. I mean, it's not bad. You've got a cool, they got the balloons. I like the balloons. I'm just not for crazy about all the animals, the kind of cutesy animals. But you know, that's because I'm kind of out of that now. And then you've got the sentiments. So the sentiments, look at that. Look at that happy birthday. That's so cool. So nice. Thinking of you. It's really nice. It's just, I love the script. It can be used for anything. It's just big enough. It's small enough. So again, it comes with the blank cards, envelopes, acetate. So you've got the acetate that it comes with, the colored cards, and the designer paper. So it comes with everything you need to make multiple cards however you want. I will say, though, what I found with the Crafter's Companion, again, you may not necessarily be able to make the cards that are on the boxes themselves. They don't seem, I'm not really sure why. I wish she would do, you know, at least a few of them, of the cards that were made on the boxes. So if you like that, you kind of have to kind of figure it out yourself. But they, you know, it doesn't look, it's probably not that hard. She's pretty much into just teaching you the technique, but not actually those cards, although I wish she would. So Sarah Davies, if you're out there and you see this, or any of your team members that are watchers, a gentleman, Craig Ferguson, if you're watching, please make some of these cards that are on the craft kits, or have instructions inside the craft kits to tell us how to make those, because some of us are just beginners, and to have a kit is really cool. But if we had the actual instructions, then to make each one of these types of cards, or at least a couple of them, that would just make our lives a whole lot better. At least it would make my life better. So I'm just going to include y'all in this. All right. So the next thing I got. Okay. So here's these edgeables. All right. So I think they're kind of called something else, but it's a stamp set and a die. So it can make the edge. So that's kind of what it's supposed to do. And then here's the cool, look how pretty that cupcake is. And it's got a cherry on top. So you've got everything you need to stamp it and then to cut it out if you like. If you want to cut the whole cupcake out, you can use both sides and you can cut that out. And so see, you got both sides to cut each side out if you want, or if you just want the one, and you could do left or right, whichever way you want. So there you go. I got that one. Then I've got the next one I got, and I found, and look at the price, guys. The prices, they're usually about $13 individually. Okay. Sometimes you can get a good bundle on HSN, but I think the bundle itself is also, it might be a little more expensive than this. But here's this one is the poppies. And I think poppies are pretty. I don't like flowers, a ton of flowers, but I like poppies. And so I got that one, $4.99 against that. I mean, that's a great deal. Butterflies, I love butterflies. Although Sarah likes butterflies too, I can tell. So I get a lot of butterflies. I have a lot of butterflies, and she gives a lot of butterflies. So this is really nice though. I love that too. And then the peacock. Okay, so this was in a bundle in HSN at one point. And they came, you know, with, I think, some of the colors, some of these different ones. And they all bundled some together. And there was a bundle that I wanted. I really just wanted the peacock, but I didn't want the rest of the bundle. And either because either I had stuff like that, or I just didn't need it, or I had already spent way too much money. I kind of like this because I can just get what I want. So, and it's only $5. So I was really happy. All right. So the next thing I found is I found the Desiree, and it's by Crafter's Companion as well. So Crafter's Companion is at Tuesday morning. Yeah, that's where I went. Tuesday morning. So Crafter's Companion is at Tuesday morning now. And look, that's the die, but it looks like they painted it. But here is the die cut. I mean, the die cut And that is really cool. I like how they did this at the very front, and I definitely will be doing this. The other thing I got, another Crafter's Companion. Oh, sorry, I meant to tell you the price. So the price on this one was $4.99, typically $16. Not a bad deal. All right, Crafter's Companion. These are just stamps, the acrylic stamps. I like this Love Blossoms. It's really pretty. You are amazing. And then it's got love. And you can see what's inside there. It's got a few little things. This is great for watercoloring, and I do like to watercolor. $2.99. Typically about $7. So got it for $2.99. Awesome. So the next one I got this Twinkle All the Way. So they have some of the Christmas stuff left out there. $2.99. Look at that. And look at all that. So we've got, Twinkle All the Way. We've got Family Friends. We got May the Miracle of Christmas fill your heart with warmth and love. Have yourself a little Merry Christmas. But it's script. It's really pretty, cute, small. Go on anything. All right. Then the next thing, y'all. This is not Crafter's Companion, but I found a Jan Davenport stamp set of all of the different girlfriends on the front. So a girl group. And I got a girl group. I got a posse. So this was perfect. And I could probably do something to make for our girlfriends. And I love this. Again, this is good for watercoloring. And then I saw this one. And again, I'm not a big flower person, but for some reason this one spoke to me. I can see this is background stamp. And I can see doing Pearl Perfect with it in different colors and kind of ombreing it or doing embossing it on the back and then putting something on there. $2.49, typically $6. Oh, I forgot to tell you what Jane Davenport was. $3.99. This is usually about $9. Okay, and then one last thing I got. Remember we were talking about the microfiber. Well, I found this chamois, and I'm going to give it a try. It's a Firefly Momentum stamp cleaner. So it's just a cloth. Basically what I was doing, just add water, okay? And it will clean your stamps and lint-free, okay? So that's it, guys. That's my haul that I got. I spent about $87 with tax. I mean, that's $87 all total with the tax included. And I think I got a pretty good deal considering if I'd gotten this all at retail, it would have been well over $100 or more, $150 or more. Thanks, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like this video if you feel so inclined, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.